We're really lucky to hear that someone is so excited about our top-level service. Here's a great 5-star review that keeps us motivated to do even better every single day. Take a look. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.